In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink on Surveymonkey. Whether you're crafting a survey to capture insights for a marketing campaign or simply gathering feedback from your audience, using hyperlinks effectively can enrich the experience for your respondents. It allows you to direct participants to additional resources, previous surveys, or even external web pages for more information. So let's dive right in and explore how easy it is to add hyperlinks to your Surveymonkey questions. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Surveymonkey account and opening up the survey that you are currently working on. This is your canvas, and each question is an opportunity for nuanced interaction. Once your survey is open, navigate to the question where you intend to add a hyperlink. Typically, you'll find this feature most useful in text or multiple choice questions where you might be referring the participant to further resources or background information. Focus on the part where a link will be most beneficial for the respondents. Now that you've located your question, it's time to decide on the text you wish to turn into a hyperlink. Think of it as creating a bridge between your survey and the wealth of information or context available elsewhere on the internet. Simply type the text that you want to transform into a clickable link, which should be concise and relevant to grab and guide attention. Next, you're ready to jump into the nuts and bolts of hyperlinking. Highlight the portion of the text that will serve as your link. This part is essential as it ensures that only the portion you want is clickable, maintaining a clean and professional look on your survey. With your text highlighted, locate the toolbar at the top of the editor where you'll find an icon that resembles a chain link. This is your link icon, signaling that you are about to connect your text with the wider web. Click on this chain link symbol and a dialog box will appear to guide you through the next phase. Here is where the magic happens. In the dialog box, enter the URL you wish to link to. Ensure that the URL is correct and begins with the appropriate protocol such as HTTP or HTTPS to avoid any broken links. This step is crucial as it defines where your hyperlink will take the survey participants. Finally, it's time to save your work. Once the URL is entered and you're satisfied with how everything looks, save the question to lock in your hyperlink and finish up. It's as simple as that. Adding hyperlinks can transform your survey into a dynamic and interactive tool, enhancing user experience and engagement. With just a few clicks, you've turned static text into a powerful portal of information for your respondents. Thanks for watching.